What's up, guys? We're back. It's May 5th, 2021. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Hopefully everybody's doing good. So we're enjoying this. I can see that. Estrella Jalisco's Chamoy Chelada. Tropical Chamoy Chelada. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but this is really good. So today we're feeding our avocados with the Alaskan fish fertilizer. I'm doing like a half amount of fertilizer per plant, so I'm not doing the full amount that I would normally do. It's May, so I decided to go ahead and just do it. The thing is, this fish fertilizer is really stinky, so you got to be careful not to get it on yourself. And if you do, you got to go rinse off. It's kind of nasty. But the smell eventually does kind of go away. Essentially what I do is I put some of the fertilizer into like a 2-gallon watering can. Here, I'll show it to you in a second. Here's a jug. The label came off, but I pretty much know how much you put in there. It's like 2 tablespoons per gallon. So I do 2 tablespoons for 2 gallons that I throw in my jug. So I just fill up this 2-gallon watering can with 2 tablespoons of the fish fertilizer, and I dump 2 gallons of water on each and every avocado that I have. So that's what I did today. And then I also had some avocados for lunch. Let me show you that. Hopefully you guys are having some avocados also, and maybe some Mexican food, because it is Cinco de Mayo. Yum. Burrito from Miguel's. If you're in Southern California, find it. It's good. Plus today is Cinco de Mayo, so guess what? It's $1.99 for a bean, rice, and cheese burrito. Go get it. We're gonna spice it up. Get an avocado, add it in. Look at this. Yummy. So if you got a Miguel's Junior's by your house, it's $1.99 for a bean, rice, and cheese burrito. So it's a good deal. So in addition to the fertilizer, this is what I do to kind of feed my avocados. So usually I don't throw away the peel. I kind of just save the peel from the avocados that I eat, and then I just kind of throw it out here. And they help kind of add to the mulch. So it's a good way to kind of recycle what you got and help feed these avocados. Anyways, you guys have a good one. See ya.